What is the best and most cost-effective way to add drainage to my soil? I've created raised rows, which helps, but I add peat moss. But could I add peat moss to my rows? I have a clay-like soil in rural NYS, New York State. Also, not sure if I can add to this question, but here it goes. Sure, you can. After soil tests, my nitrogen is deficient in my ground, but most other variables are looking good. What FERT do you recommend? Would you recommend for greens and squash in the situation? Just an easy. There's a company I've used the product for years. It's called Sustain, Sustane. It's a great, and I think I think they're based out of Ohio, and it's a great composted turkey manure product. It's rich in nitrogen. You can get the more nitrogen rich product, which I believe is a 10-4-2 or something like that. It's mostly nitrogen. Just go with something like that. And then for drainage, clay soils aren't that big of a deal. You're certainly correct in raising your beds. Broad forking them would help right away. And then if you want to get into some kind of earthworks type drainage, then you're looking at French drains, and you're going to shape your land a little bit differently and things like that, which get more complicated. But it sounds like you're just looking for a simple solution with your raised beds, and you're already on the way there. Certainly, in wetter climates such as New York State, if that's what you mean, NYS, you could orientate your beds so that they are sloping with the slope. If there's a little bit of a slope to your land, you could orientate them that way so that they naturally move water down. Like at Jean-Martin Fortier's farm, that's what they did. The beds run north and south, and they go down the hill, and they actually want that because they want to shed water. So they've got a raised bed, they've got them orientated down the slope, as well as a lot of quite a complicated drainage system between the blocks of beds. So you can make it as complicated as you like.